Hello sir, my name is Ramtirta Abednego Sonario Berek. This is my journal. Title: Analysis of the effect of cooling media on strength, tension of steel post welding using electric welding. Introduction: the welding method currently used widely in human life from simple to complete, such as trellis and iron fence making, plate holders, safe mechanical construction, and wooden braille. The use of welding technology is due to connection is made like with a process that simple. So the course required be chapter. This advance come the valve joint be used as a recommend for rivet and inner bolt connection, mechanic strength and design. Weld joint is mechanical bond at the metal or metal alloy that is carried out is metal or liquid. Safe. This progress gave birth to a welding method which emphasizes on improving the quality and production speed to the improvement production efficiency and cost. Variables then research. Still testing seems to know to mechanical property and design of metal to test for which are given. The result obtained from the testing process is the strain parameter, curve strain, and elongation in the test force given continuously and slowly. Given continuously and slowly, getting bigger at the same time is done observation regarding the extension experience parameter used to describe the metal strain. Strain curve is Tesla strength is the maximum load divided by the initial cross-sectional area of the specimen. This power is useful for specification purpose and metallic quality control. Yield power. The yield strength is the stress that needed to produce a small amount. Definite plastic definition. Yield power obtained by the office method is usually used for design and specification purpose. Test result. Test result of water cooling media coconut, salt, water, and used oil result. Test tool. Insert cumin. Result cumin in the form of cumin used in specimen making and data collection. The tools used include 1. Testing the equipment, testing machine. 2. Heat treatment tools, camping pillars container contains brine water, coconut, and oil. 3. Specimen tools, cutting grinder mechanic, welding machine mechanic, hand grinder mechanic. Lead clipper consolation. Based on the result on always of the effect of cooling media on strength of steel 137 post welding. For the highest testing strength value by using oil cooling media used with reference value of the strength using brain cooling media, namely A. For the fresh the object the result 40.346 kilogram per millimeter. B. For the second dash the result is 56.446 kilogram per millimeter. G. Average daily strength 52.396 kilogram per millimeter. Thank you.